Reboot! Back to action!
Reboot the Ranger. Welcome back, Rangers, to another episode. This is going to be a tutorial video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I want to catch up on
Perfect.
you know, showing you guys how to do certain things that I know how to do here on social media, Twitch, whatever. So we're actually going to do I'm actually going to do a tutorial video how to upload a custom-made Power Ranger streaming avatar. I'm going to try to do the Black Ranger, and if successful, we'll do the Mastodon as well. And I'll leave the artist from Fiverr. Her name is Hanayura or something like that. I'm gonna leave her link in the description if you guys want to contact her for her to do some avatars for you. I eventually want to do it myself, but it's actually hard to do them. She's a very skilled artist. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna turn my Elgato here, and then we're gonna. So first, you're gonna need to have a folder where you save it. So my folder here is called Stream Avatars, Sheets, and GIFs. So I have the GIFs above here. So you gotta have a sheet to do it. It has to be in a certain format. And when you're gonna save the sheet, right? Don't save it like Black Ranger sheet or Mastodon sheet. Save it as like whatever you want to be, because it's user interface, meaning it will pop up as whatever you save it as when you do upload it. So this is the folder I have it on as, and then I will open up here. Hold on, I will open up here Stream Avatars. Here's the app here, and then you click on this little folder here. It says open folder. That's the only way you're really gonna find it. If you try to search it through your computer, you may not be successful doing that. And then you go here to avatars, right? So here you can see I have a bunch of other sheets that I've got free from the Steam store. I think it's called the Steam store. I got it from the Steam Workshop. You get them for free, avatars and gears. So we're just gonna drag and drop the new avatar now that we got, and there's certain widths you gotta put. So let's try the Black Ranger one first, and if successful, like I said, we will. So there, it's added, right? So we're gonna do now, we're gonna go here to Stream Avatars. We're gonna go to Avatars. We're gonna look for, let me see if I can find it. Let me see here. Okay, so I think we got to maybe reload. How do I refresh it? Hold on, I think I gotta refresh it. Fix pound, save and reload. I think we save and reload. Okay, so let me see here. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is, Black Ranger. Okay, so you gotta put here, I think it's 100 by 80, right? 100 by 80, and then 1 here, and then you apply by 80. Continue. Alright, so 100 by 80, and then you go save and reload, right? And then all you have to do now is connect. So let's see here now, and then if successful, let me see, I should have, okay, hold on, I gotta go here, escape, hold on, I think it's quick access. Hold on, it's maybe a little bit longer because I gotta remember how to do it. So I think you right click, okay, yeah, you right click here, and then instead of heavy arms, it'll be Black Ranger, refresh. I don't know what's going on here. So it did save, but why is it looking like that? It's so strange. Okay, it wasn't supposed to do that. So let's go back to like another avatar. We'll disconnect. Let's try this again. Let's try it again. Trial and error. So we're gonna go here, right click on him, right, and then we're gonna go here, there we go, successful. See guys, so we have successfully uploaded the stream avatar Black Ranger. If you guys want to see me do the stream avatar for Mastodon, leave a like in the comment section. And I will, hold on. Does it not show my Elgato no more? Okay, for some reason I didn't show you guys that part. So what I basically did, I'll show you guys again. I'll disconnect. So what I basically did here was I went here and you changed the weight here to 180 and the scale to 1, and I was able to, and then you save and reload, and then you click connect, and then bam, I was able to put Black Ranger into my streaming avatars there. As you can see, he's there with everyone else. If I want to add other avatars too, right, I'll add that, add a spawn, right, I can do different things with it, right. If you go BR, we can have a battle royale with it. So that's basically it for now. I think I will do a separate video because we're already at 7 minutes in here. And we'll do another one with the Mastodon. Anyways, Reboot Ranger, I'm gonna reboot out of here. And if you want to reboot too, make sure you hit that subscription button. I'll put you guys in the next game. Peace.